Yo!
Hey guys.
He's driving. He bought me these leggings. And he got his climbing shoes. Wait, let me show. Oh, he's gonna. Whoa, climbing. He's gonna climb a tree, I think.
Yeah.
I found this pretty rock. It glistens. It's got like a little slit. We got the fire, picnic table, and there's like a little thing to put the tent. And I'm gonna put the tent up because I'm such a big, strong woman.
She's making a tent. We're gonna do a little review of the goldfish pretzel and cheese mix. See that? That's what it looks like.
Oh good, there's holes.
9 out of 10.
I set up the tent. Look at how good I did. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, there's a fire!
Not really.
A little fire. He's cutting up tomatoes for our BLTs.
We're gonna have hell of tomatoes.
That's okay. They're yummy. The bread is baking now. Well, not baking. It's like toasting. And the bacon's finished. And we have watermelon feta mint salad. Trying to do popcorn, but it's not popcorn.
So we usually need like a bigger flame for this, but we don't want to waste the rest of our fireworks. We want this for pancakes in the morning, so we're using a very, very small flame. This is really not how you want to be doing this.
We resorted to the little...
My MSR ultralight mini camp stove.
Yay, it worked.
MSR still for the win.
Yes, you can hear it. It's got a little steam hole. It's actually pretty good. Pancakes. I forgot plates, so we're using them out of bowls.
I'm making a taco, so we have blueberry pancake and then bacon in the middle.
Yes. It looks so good. It's so smoky over there. Okay, so I just washed the dishes from breakfast and now I'm gonna dry them. And then we're gonna go on like a hike to this bridge river situation, so that'll be fun.
That definitely wasn't in frame there. That's okay. What's the rating? 9? That's what I rated them to. 8? Yeah.
I'm on camera now.
Oh, can I record you?
Sure. Just took a nap. Look at these rocks.
Yeah, they look better when they're wet because they look like crystals. But I made them into a spine on Audrey's back while she was napping.
Yes, it's so aesthetic.
It is.
Heating up the cast iron. It's gonna rain. It's like cloudy today. Oh yeah, here's the pancakes.
Oh, it's raining.
Oh, I just jinxed it. Careful.
Socks with no socks.
I don't want to get my socks all wet.
Boots.
I'm not gonna It messed up a little bit over here. Oh yeah, it does look like it. Guillaume, turn around.
Bye, campsite.